In my house, I'm very tired of meals. Serviettes, plates, spoons. I don't know what I do if it's not everywhere in the house. Yeah. Say what, say what, say what. Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Ooh. Say what, say what, say what. Ooh. Girl, you know what's up. Zoom mirror here. You understand? To the floor. Hey guys, this is what my regular Saturday looks like. I wake up as early as 4:30. I prep all my materials, my ingredients I'll be using for the DD. Saturdays are basically just like this. Saturdays are for cooking. I'm cooking in the house. I'm cooking for an external factor customer outside. Anyway, guys, this is what we've been up to today. Cooking at Jollof Rice. This is being for election process. I think probably once the election is over, the clients will share the food as their own way of CSR, if I'm correct. Anyway, guys, this is what I've been up to on my regular Saturday. My regular weekend looks like. So I'm putting it in a party bag with a drink, and off it goes. In my house, I'm very tired of meal. The whole house was filled with souvenir bags, spoons, serviettes, plates, spoons. I don't know what I do if it's not everywhere in the house. Yeah, probably so. All sorts of energy. You name it, we're cooking. Mo ń bọ̀ wá ṣe ṣáà ní sùúrù.
Thank you, brother. I was able to get 300,000 XP. No, like 15. What level are you?
That's the number from yesterday. So you already have it.
You already have it now. And I have to save, Abby.
You also choose to
Yeah, it's not used to kill. I'm a hero rank, please. I don't want to spoil it. They were in hero rank F before. When even. So let's hear small so we don't play in the match. We can't miss now. So we'll go back to W. You want us to go? When after I watch a movie, you don't go and watch it. Yeah? It's really good for you.
Let's see.
Okay, makes sense like this. So my people are going, they came to, this is my work. So done and dusted. Going off. Going off. Due to the rain. Can't put it in the boot due to the rain. Could you say hello to the camera? Guys, just finished making zobo. Apart from cooking, I make drinks for sale too. I just finished this one. It's going out to a customer that is celebrating. This is what our hands have found worthy to do. Our hands are blessed. They said the virtuous proverbial woman in the Bible, your hands are blessed. Women, we should use our hands to make a home, need bread. Our hands are blessed, really. I just finished this one now. I'm going to do a video of step to step on how I make this zobo. I think I have one of my videos where I made so while I was in America. So I'll probably do this one here in Nigeria. I'll give you a detailed step to step of how I do the zobo, how I source for bottles, and how I mix the ingredients. Anyway, guys, don't you like what you see? I have 100 bottles of zobo here, going out just about now.
One day later.
Jack is very lazy. TikToker.
You don't have to give me joke with the actual. I don't know if I want to give that to you.
At my cousin's house, Justin came to spend the weekend with her. I'm trying to take the dog. The dog is one behind, so I'm trying to take the dogs for a walk. This is confusing. This is from Jack.
This is Jack.
This is Mr. Jackie, Marco Jacko. The cheese Jack.
Let me go and miss Fendi.
Fendi dog.
Mommy, you're going to say. I'm not going to walk again. We are Jackie's.
Hey, Abby. Let us pump some tires. I know Kusabi pump tire. Hey, Abby. Should I open it?
Yes.
This is my sister now, vulcanizer. All 7 in 1. Don't think you cannot do. Guys, everybody should have this in their home. Easy peasy in your car. Any emergency, you don't have to look for vulcanizer. Straight up, you pump your tire. Making sense. Nice.
Oh, got that last pass where I wanted to catch first. It's not good and rest.
Can't you use one hand?
I can use one hand, but the thing is that I will have to set up angles. Some angles they not fine. I will not have to be looking for angles.
There's one, maybe they have one phone holder that you can.
Oh yeah, we even brought it. Definitely.
On the bike.
Oh no.
See all our yash outside.
Oh, you cannot come down.
Get in. Come on, boy. Hey.
But it's one of my people. That one good.
Next. You're supposed to hold anything now, but yeah, she's not ready.
Mommy, you held him in that time. That's how you want to go away from the sun. Please.
You're gonna fall now.
You cannot fall, let's try to touch it. Clean up. You can't remove that one. Oh. I'm going to like only the middle one is this. And the middle one can do
And the winner is.
Them chicken maker.